We have proposed changes in the PCA Act.
Do we have anyone in the parliament who supports us now?
There are so many MPs who have been, voicing their, opinions about this, and it's up to the government when they do that. But thankfully, we now do have BNS, which is Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023, and under that, I think Section 325 states that prescribes that anyone who injures an animal or kills or poisons an animal can get jail term of up to 5 years, and there are some stronger penalties also under that.
10.
Yes, I think they should just be jailed. Yeah.